Happy Thursday. I'm in Sydney. I'm just leaving the hotel. Going to the airport. Angela, how you doing? Oh, there it is. I see it. Thanks. See ya. Normally when I'm leaving the hotel, I usually stop at the Tim Hortons over there, grab a coffee. Changing my habits. It's killing me. Trying to be healthy. Just trying to be a little bit healthier. See, our buddy Scott started this challenge like for the month of January. Well, I don't know if it was Scott or me now, but anyway, trying to be healthy. I haven't started running yet. I haven't done anything to get healthy. So maybe I should start. The big door is opening. I was just talking in front of it. That was awkward. That, by the way, is a Twin Otter. It's a good airplane. All right, what was I saying? We're home again. Just leaving the office. Eating healthy, right. I have, where are they? Oh, that's not it, hang on. Okay, so I have this, you probably can't tell, it's just a bag of nuts and raisins. It's like trail mix that Sue made. It's like homemade trail mix. It's not as good as a bag of chips though. I mean, you know, if you're one of those people that eat nuts, that's awesome. Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Draw.
I'm home.
Welcome home.
Yeah.
I'm here.
There she is.
Oh, I just watched a video.
Oh, did you? Was it good?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a Christmas present.
Open.
Open. Son of a.
It's the bag inside the bag. Oh.
She did it twice, I guess.
And you thought I was bad with tape.
There's another one.
She gives me a hard time for using way too much tape all the time. I gotta step up my tape game. Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, this might be yours.
It must be mine.
To Wayne.
Yeah.
I am my mom.
You are.
Doge. Mrs. Claus is late again this year. Sorry, I love you very much. Love, Mama. Oh, I got some new mitts. I got a mummer's apron.
Mummers are a Newfoundland thing, just in case you don't know. It's a Newfoundland tradition. Alex, Google mummers. What are mummers? M-U-M-M-E-R-S. I'm not even going to bother trying to
I
explain
got a
it.
new white tank top.
There you go.
Doge.
Nice.
And I got a new black tank top.
Perfect. She's a very black and white kind of person.
Thanks, Doge.
Yeah.
You want to open yours?
All right, sure. You know, when you're young and you're a kid, you think, socks, that sucks. But when you get a little bit older, socks is kind of nice. Sporty polo shirt huh? For the golf course. And a beautiful, a nice long sleeve sweater. Actually, that is perfect.
That is perfect.
That is right up my alley. Thanks, Dode. Love you.
Mwah. What do you say, Wayne?
Just click like and subscribe. Ding, ding. So I was talking about eating healthy and being good and all that stuff. And we're eating out, right? It's wing night, so I'll save my nuts for later.